It's just 2 easy steps to install a free motion foot. Step 1, you unscrew the whole shaft that the feet attach to and remove it. It falls down. Lift the presser foot. Put it somewhere safe. Leave the screw in and loose. Now you're going to slip on the free motion foot. There's a little groove where the screw goes in. Make sure you put it up all the way and tighten the screw. Oops. Hold it up so that it screws in tight, or else it might fall down on you. Now you're ready for step 2, which is where you're going to lower your feed dogs with this switch in the back. Just like that, and lowered. Now you are ready to quilt.